Happy birthday, dear Sarah girl. May God bless you, my darling.
Happy birthday, Sarah baby. You are my grandchild. I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you, darling. Let God bless you and keep for many, many years to come and bless you, darling Sarah. I love you. We miss you. Really, we miss you, Sarah. Papa and Mama miss you a lot. Mwah.
Hi Sarah, greetings to you from Cochin Papa and Cochin Mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear, and keep you for years to celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Have a nice day, Sarah. From Cochin Papa and Cochin Mama, wishing you all the best in life. Bye bye, doll.
Enjoy your day with your dad and mom and all the sisters. Okay?
Have a
Bye,
nice day.
sweetheart. Bye-bye.
Bye, doll.
Happy birthday, Sarah, from Gopa, from outer space, away from the COVID.
Hey there, sweetheart. My beautiful little goddaughter, my 13-year-old goddaughter. I can't believe you're such a big girl now. It's only yesterday you were a little baby and I was carrying you, and now you're all big and grown up. I'm sure you're having a lovely time with everybody over there. But think of Goma when you eat cake, okay? Andre and I are thinking of you, praying for you. And we'll see you soon in Brisbane. And I'll have a special party for you in Brisbane, okay, sweetheart? You have a lovely day, you have a lovely evening, and have a wonderful, wonderful year ahead, my darling. I love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah girl. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear, and keep you for years to celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wishing you happy birthday, Sarah girl, for your 13th birthday. Enjoy your birthday. God bless you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Sarah girl. May God bless you.
Hi Sarah girl, many happy returns of the day. Have fun, take care.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah girl. Happy birthday to you. God bless you, dear, and keep you for years to celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sarah girl.
Happy birthday.
God bless
Welcome.
you.
Welcome to
God bless. Take care. Bye.
Michael Papa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah girl. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sarah. God bless you, little princess, and sending you lots of love, kisses, and hugs from Saudi, from Kenangal, Meldandi, and
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Love you, darling. Umma.
Sarah, happy birthday. May you enjoy your day. May God bless you.
May God bless you.
Hello, Sarah girl.
Hello, Sarah girl.
Many happy returns of the day.
Many happy returns of the day.
God
bless you.
Take care.
Take care.
Enjoy your birthday.
Okay. Have a nice blast. Say Daniel Damien.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Take care.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Sarah. Many happy returns of the day.
It's your milestone birthday. It's time for Dad to take out his gun, start polishing it, and Mommy hiding her makeup.
So God bless and have a wonderful day ahead, and wish you some wonderful years ahead in your teen life. Enjoy, take care, ta-da.
Happy birthday, Sarah. May God bless you.
We wish you a joyful birthday, Sarah girl.
May the Holy Spirit guide you, Sarah, all through your life.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
On your birthday, cherishing all the good times we had together.
Savchita, have a joyful birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday, dear Sarah, from your proxy godparents. I love to talk to you on video chat, especially when your mama is not there.
Sarah, I still remember you as a little baby, maybe you were 2 years old, and when you came to Bangalore, you were so shy. But when we went to the railway station, when you were leaving back from Bangalore, I remember you holding my hand so sweetly, and now you're going to be a teenager tomorrow.
Happy birthday and have a great day. Mwah.
Happy birthday once again, Sarah. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear Sarah,
and keep you for years, Sarah, to celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday to Sarah. Happy birthday, Sarah. God bless you, dear. Love you, Lords.
Happy birthday, Sarah. Happy birthday. We'll be there to cut your cake in the evening. See you soon. Bye.
Bye, Sarah.
Peace. Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear, and keep you for years to celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday, Sarah girl.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear, and keep you for years to celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sarah. Bye.
Hi, Sarah. Wishing you a very happy birthday. I think you can stop calling me Granny now because you're also a teenager and you're getting old too. But jokes aside, hope you have fun with everyone. And yeah, I can't wait to see you soon. Take care. Bye.
Happy 13th birthday, Sarah, from Gopal.
From Amber.
And from Ali.
Have a good day.
Happy birthday, Sarah! You're turning 13. Nice, nice. Excellent. Made it 13 years in the Middle East. Here's 13 more. Have a good time. I'll catch you around.
Happy birthday, Sarah, and have fun.
Happy birthday, Sarah. I wish you all the love and happiness in the world, all of which you deserve.
Have a fun day.
Happy birthday to the biggest dork on earth. Have a great 13th birthday, Sarah. I love you and we'll meet.
Happy birthday, Sarah baby. You know, October 17th, it's a very special day for us because that's the day we received an angel, a beautiful angel from heaven, our first gift from God. And we named you Sarah because it is a name from the Bible. It's a name of a princess, and you are our darling princess. And you will always be Mama and Dada's first princess. So hope you have a lovely birthday. And look at this. This is a lovely handbag as you become a teenager. And there's lots of memories inside this handbag for you to cherish. All these pictures from the day you were born with your grandparents, with your parents, with your sisters, your uncles and aunts and your cousins and friends. And please cherish all the lovely memories that you had past 13 years. You are a teenager and I hope you take always a right decision. God bless you. May the Holy Spirit, the love of God, the protection of Almighty be with you always, my baby. Love you lots, my baby girl Sarah.
Happy birthday, Sarah. Enjoy your birthday. Lovely to see you growing up. Going to see you grow up more. Have a lovely birthday.
Happy birthday, Sarah. You're gonna become 13 and you're gonna be a teenager. Happy birthday, Sarah. You've always been a happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Have fun.
Happy birthday.